It's December 12th, Tuesday, song premiere on Tuesday. Stott's here, and like us, letting us know that she's here too. Getting a little festive behind, not quite there yet, but at least we have the tree. A shout out to anybody doing rooftop solar. This is a problematic time of year. It's kind of like we're learning, but anybody else, solar, I believe, is a big part of how we can make things better. And second of all, the song 8 Hugs a Day, which I was happy to do on Saturday at the Overture Center. Listen to it. It's a good song, good feeling. Lotta, enough. Thanks very much for being here. And how appropriate to have her doing that during this song. He wasn't the pick of the litter, he's more like the runt. He barked so much in the carrying case, they let him right up front. Well, he snuggled in beside them, their hearts burst open wide, with his floppy ears and his great big paws and a whole lot of puppy inside. Their hearts open wide, with a whole lot of puppy inside. Well, they took him to obedience school. He learned to sit and heel. But when he got back home, he was less than the ideal. 'Cause there were socks to shred and he messed up the bed. He was never dignified. But it's hard to stay mad for long when there's a whole lot of puppy inside. Never dignified, whole lot of puppy inside. And when he slept, he'd kick and growl like mighty hunters do. He might be a puppy, but there's a wolf inside him too. He got old, he got slow, and he slept most of the day. But when the spirit hit him right, he'd still fetch and play. But he'd jump up for a bacon stick, and he loved to go on rides. Right up to the very end, there was a little bit of puppy inside. Take a ride with a little bit of puppy inside. They got old years later, and they still felt him near. Their knees were old, their teeth were gold, and it's getting hard to hear. But yesterday at the city park, they both went down the slide with their hands up high, laughing loud, and a little bit of puppy inside. Let joy be your guide. Keep a little bit of puppy inside. Song for Leica, but especially Dodger. Thanks very much for being here.